Nirmala's father very often joined them and sometimes even wandered off to neighboring villages in their company but always returned home sooner or later. The singing of Kirtan was the mainspring of his life. He may have been an indifferent householder, but he was rich in the poison of a vast repertoire of devotional music. Indeed, his knowledge of music was matched by his deep and melodious voice. It is said that his voice was so arresting that even if he were humming a tune, people would stop to listen to him. He could play on all the instruments which were used in his time. He counted many Muslim ustads among his friends. These names Ustad Gul Mahmud, Ustad Aftabuddin, heard in her childhood. Srima was able to repeat to Ustad Ali Akbar Khan when he was told her that his forefathers had lived near Bidyakud, Bidyakut. He confirmed that Ustad Aftabuddin was Ustad Alauddin Khan's brother. Sometimes there were gatherings for a musical evening. If Sri Bipin Bihari were given the first turn, then the other performers would complain. Now who will stay to listen to us after they have heard you? He was often compared to the Saint Bard of Bengal, Ram Prasad, who it is firmly believed could invoke divine presence by his inspired singing. Bipin Bihari was also quite capable of losing himself entirely when singing Hari Kirtan. Kirtan is repetitive form of melody composed of the names and words describing the auspicious qualities of divine person. Generally, there is leading voice followed by a chorus, but a really gifted singer can perform it solo. Once there was a storm, and the thatched cottage, as always, came to grief. When the storm had abated, Moksha Devi repaired to the hut where her husband sat engrossed in singing kirtan. He was quite unaware that there was no roof over his head and that he and his instruments were getting drenched. He now responded to his wife's seekings and said mildly, "Yes, I see it is all getting wet. Wet, I shall come away." His wife tried to hide her grin by pulling her sari over her face. Nirmala asked her father one day, "You are always singing about Hari. Who is Hari?" "Hari is one of the names of God. He has many names. Why should one sing his names? If you sing his names, he will come to you just as when we called out to you. You come and do whatever we ask you to do for us. So he also does as much for us because he is everywhere. And he hears when we call out to him. Is he then very big? Yes, indeed. As big as this field here. Much bigger. He is not to be measured. When he appears, you will see how great, how magnificent he is, and he will always appear if you call upon him to do so."